In this video, I am going to explain you few more problems on the chapter problems on quadratic equations. Okay, so see them carefully. So first one is Ashish goes to his friend's house, which is 12 kilometer away from his house. He covers half of the distance at a speed of x kilometer per hour and the remaining at x plus 2 kilometer per hour. If he takes 2 hours 36 minutes to cover the whole distance, find the value of x. Okay, so in this case, now I am solving it. Solution. So in this case, total distance is covered in two parts. In part 1, for part 1, distance is equals to 6 kilometer. Half of the distance is covered with the speed x. Speed is x kilometer per hour. Okay, then in second part, so time taken for the first part is distance upon speed, that is 6 upon x. Okay, so this is the distance covered with the speed, time taken when half of the distance is covered with the speed x, first one. Now in part 2, distance is equals to again 6 kilometer. Okay, half of the distance is covered with x plus 2 kilometer per hour speed, and speed is x plus 2 kilometer per hour. So time taken in this part T2, again the same formula, distance upon speeds, that is 6 upon x plus 2. Now they have given the total time. Okay, now total time they have given. So total time is equals to 2 hours 30 minutes. Okay, but in about two parts we are getting the time in hours. Okay, so this time should also be in hour. So it will be 2 plus 30 upon 60. Okay, this should be covered in hour. That is 2.5. That is 2.5 hours, we can see. Clear? So 2.5 hours is the total time. Now, according to the problem, we can form the equation as T1 plus T2 equals to total time, that is 2.5 hours. So we have 6 upon x plus 6 upon x plus 2 equals to 2.5, or we can say that 5 upon 2. Okay, now on simplification we get, when we solve this, we get we can write it as 6 into x plus 2 plus x upon x into x plus 2 equals to 5 upon 2. So we have 12 into 2 plus 2x equals to 5 into x square plus 2x. So it will become 24 plus 24x equals to 5x square plus 10x. On further simplification, we can write it as 5x square, then minus 14x minus 24 equals to 0. Okay, this is the required equation. Now the factors will be, it can be written as 5x square, then minus 20x and plus 6x minus 24 equals to 0. Okay, so from here we can take 5x as common. Now two pairs will be there, this first one and this is second one. From the first one we can take 5x as common, and from the second one we can take 6 as common. So 5x into x minus 4 and plus 6 into x minus 4 equals to 0. Now factors will be 5x plus 6 into x minus 4 equals to 0. Now by zero product rule, either we get x equals to minus 6 upon 5 or x equals to 4. Okay, now minus 6 upon 5 is not possible because speed cannot be negative. So x equals to 4. So this is the required value of x.